there, I'm Beth with 50 Plus Beauty, and I'm very excited to bring you this video because it is my 1 year results using the Dyson hairdryer. And I will say this is not a sponsored video. They did not send me this Dyson dryer. I actually went out and purchased it myself with my own $399 a year ago, plus tax. And amazingly, it has gone up. I guess it's not amazing. Inflation has taken everything higher this past year, but it is now $429. And the reason I am doing this video is not to convince you to go out and buy a Dyson hairdryer if you can't afford it, if you have no idea about it. My job here is not to convince you to buy this. The reason I did this video is I wanted to show those of you who are considering making this purchase how I feel about it after a year. And again, this is not a sponsored video. This is strictly my opinion about the Dyson. And this video answers the question, would I buy it again? And spoiler alert here, I would definitely buy it again. And this is my hair after 1 year of using the Dyson. And I will put a picture here of myself in the first video that I did a year ago using the Dyson. And there I am, there is my hair there, and here is my hair now. And I think over the past year, my hair has gotten fuller and thicker. I have been able to stop wearing the little hair comb in my hair. I called it the buff, and everybody kind of got on me out there. You all said, Beth, your hair is so dated. Don't do that. And quite honestly, a year ago when I started this, and I'm not saying the Dyson is the only reason, because I've been using the iRestore hair helmet and some other supplements. And if you'd like to see a video about the supplements I use for beauty, hair, and health, let me know in the comment section because I would be glad to share that information with you. But I think my hair has really improved over the last year, and I have used this Dyson hairdryer exclusively for the past year. And before I get into the video, I did want to show you my outfit for the day and all of my jewelry, and all of it is from Amazon. It is very inexpensive, reasonable in price, and if you're not yet a subscriber, I hope you subscribe and or give this video a thumbs up. Okay, end of office work there. Let's get back into the Dyson hairdryer. And the reason I purchased it a year ago, and I'll link this video below, was that I saw a video by a YouTuber, I think she was from Dubai, and she was actually gifted this Dyson dryer from the company. And in fact, they even put her initials on it. I guess they do that in Dubai. They seem to have a lot of money there. But anyway, they gifted her the blow dryer, and she did a review 3 years later. Because when I started considering purchasing this, I have to admit I was hair challenged. I was losing hair. My hair was very thin, very hard to style. In fact, before a year ago, I wore hair extensions in a lot of videos because I just did not have the hair thickness that I needed to not go with the extensions. My husband hated them though. He said, Beth, every now and then I can see them. It looks like you have a rat in there. Don't wear them. So I stopped wearing them and started looking for ways to improve my hair. And when I was considering purchasing the Dyson dryer, one of my most compelling pieces of evidence was a video I will link below of this great YouTuber from Dubai. And she had said that her hair was totally damaged before she purchased the Dyson. And then she went back to her natural color, which would be good. I can't do that. I'm still a bleached blonde. I guess it's bleached peroxide. I'm not sure how they get me blonde, but something that damages my hair. But she said that after 3 years of using this blow dryer, not only was it still going strong, but their hair looked better than ever. And I'll link that video for you below. And in addition to using the Dyson and the iRestore, I also started using this It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. Actually, I was using it before I started the Dyson, but I got really serious about this. And this is a very expensive hair mask, but I really think the It's a 10 products really do a great job on conditioning your hair. So basically once a week, I started out trying to do it twice a week, but I could not manage that. So once a week, I use this as a deep conditioner on my hair. But other than that, I can't really think of anything else I did differently except using the Dyson. And they do say that the Dyson blow dries your hair more quickly than standard blow dryers. And I think that is really true. I have timed it several times, and it times out for me at about 5 to 7 minutes. And I'll show you a split screen of my hair so you can see how long it is. And blow drying this hair used to take maybe 10 minutes, at least 15 minutes. And so I was really happy that the Dyson was able to cut down my blow drying time probably by about 40%, which isn't insignificant. Now, the Dyson dryer also comes with 5 attachments, which you can see there. And let me go ahead and share some of the information from the website. It says the Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer is engineered to protect hair from extreme damage for fast drying and precision styling. And I really think over the past year, my hair is in better condition than it has been, which is just great. And it explains the fast drying. It says the small, powerful Dyson digital motor V9 combined with air multiplier technology produces a high-pressure, high-velocity jet of controlled air for fast drying and precision styling. Dyson calls it intelligent heat control, and they go on to explain a little more about that. They say, unlike some others, the Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer measures air temperature over 40 times a second and regulates the heat. This prevents extreme heat damage to protect your hair's shine. And that is something I really did notice about my hair. As I mentioned, my hair is color-treated blonde hair, and unlike the brunettes, like a Korean brunette beauty would just have this long, shiny hair naturally, I never had that. I have brown, naturally dishwater-colored brown blonde hair. It does not have a shine, and certainly after having all this color treatment on it, it does not normally have a shine at all. And I did notice that while my hair is not high gloss by any stretch of the imagination, I have a lot more shine than I used to using the Dyson dryer. And if you own the Dyson and you would like to make a comment, either positive or negative, I would love you to share that information in the comment section. Or if you're considering buying a Dyson, if you could list maybe the things that you're considering, the reasons why you might buy it, the reasons why you wouldn't buy it. If you could list those in the comment section, that would be just wonderful. And just in general, if you have great hair products that are making a huge difference for you, actually hair or beauty products, I would like my channel to become more of a communication back and forth. Like if you have a hair product you've used and you've taken a good before and after picture and you'd like to share that with the community, I would absolutely love that. And I'll put my email down below the video in case you have any beauty or hair treatments, some before and afters you would like to share, or even just some general information about great products, because this channel isn't just a one-way conversation. It's a way for us to have a back and forth conversation to learn those beauty and hair products that really keep us looking our best as we get past 40 or 50 or 60 like me. Well, that was a look at my 1-year experience using the Dyson hairdryer, and so far so good, I would say. And if you'd like to know some great products to bring volume to your hair, I hope you'll stay on my channel and watch my next video about how to style hair for great volume.